extending their support to the agitating farmers in Delhi. Thousands of farmers over here in Karnataka too have hit the streets in protest amidst tight security that's being given to them. You can actually see how the farmers have in fact, started their rally right now from the railway station over here in Bengaluru. They're taking the rally out all the way till Freedom Park. What you can see is in fact, not just farmers, students and other organizations, but all of these who are in fact, extending their support to the agitating farmers over here in Delhi. Now we understand that, in fact, these farmers have actually come down from nearly about 26 districts of Karnataka, and they've come, using various routes right now. They're here, you can see them coming out over here, demanding that the farm laws or the anti-farmer laws, actually be repealed. And more importantly, it is imperative for us to understand that these farmers have stated that they have no intention of causing any kind of inconvenience to the public, that they're out here protesting today, making their demands extremely clear. So even as we are seeing tractor rallies that are being organized in other parts of the country, right here in Bengaluru as well, you can see how in fact farmers from North Karnataka and from other parts of the state have in fact actually come down here. They're agitating, they've hit the streets, and their demands right now are very clear, that they're protesting against three of the laws that have been passed by the government. That's the APMC Act, that's also in fact you have the Land Reforms Act, and even the Anti-Cattle Slaughter Bill. So these are the farmers who are currently coming out in the streets, and they have in fact gone on to promise that they will not take their protests back until the demands are met both by the state government as well as the union government. So how long this is really going to go on for, that is something that we'll have to wait and see. As of now, one thing that we do pick up is that thankfully over here in the state of Karnataka at least, the protests have not turned violent. We're just seeing how these farmers who've come out to the streets are in fact protesting. They're holding a rally, and it's not just on tractors but several bikes also. One of the prominent organizations also that's in fact come out today to protest is the Kisan Ekta Morcha as well, and they too have in fact extended their support to the farmers right now. And what we actually understand at this point in time is that several of these farmers are going to stay here and stage their protests. They're going to continue to stage their protests till the time that their in fact demands are actually met. We're going to try and speak to some of these people who come out over here. Hi, if you can tell me what exactly is it that you're protesting against today? What exactly is it that you're protesting against today? We're seeing all of you have come out today to protest.
Okay. Government will be taken over new farmer bill. We are against that. Why? Because that bill will be killed APMC and small farmers. That's why we are against that.
Okay. All right, thank you. But in fact, precisely what he's saying is that industrialization and allowing the industrialists to boom is what their entire protest is against. We've seen it in Delhi for nearly about for at least more than a month now. We've seen it in Delhi, and right now even over here in the state of Karnataka, the farmers have in fact come out to protest. So we'll have to wait and see as to what exactly the union government does on this front to hold talks with the farmers and meet their demands so that their protests are called off. In Bengaluru with video journalist Nagendra, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now.